Now you can see this tool has created 2800 words amazing article just with one click. This is an amazing tool of SEOWriting.ai. It has created a 2800 words article with just one click, and you can see it has also generated amazing AI images, key takeaways. You can see the tool, like it has created this amazing table, then amazing, it has also added this video, amazing headlines, bullet points, another image, quotes, and you can see another image. You can see also Pinterest tools and lot of. So this is the amazing article that we have created using this amazing tool. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can create amazing blog posts just using with one click of your mouse, and you can create number of articles for your websites. You can even create bulk article, 100 articles at a time. This is the tool we call SEOWriting.ai, and it is an amazing tool which can help you create amazing article for your website. If you are a blogger, affiliate marketer, a social media influencer, or you are a content creator and you want to create content for your website, you can use this amazing tool. You can use this tool for free. And if you watch this video till end, at the end, I am also going to give you an amazing discount coupon, 25% off. You can have a 25% discount. The SEOWriting.ai tool comes with very amazing tools such as one-click blog posts, bulk article generation. You can generate up to 100 articles at a time. Blog posts, product reviews, product roundup, product workflow, how to guide, simple editor, and a lot. And here you can see I'm also using the free plan. You can also use the free plan, and if you want to upgrade, you can also upgrade it. And I have also created one blog post using this amazing tool. So let's understand how this tool works and how you can benefit using this tool. You can use this tool for free. If you want to try this SEO writing tools, the link is given in the description of this video. So let's get started, and we will start with one-click blog post. Once you click on that one-click blog post, then there is option. You have to put your main keyword here. I want to try an article on this keyword. The keyword is best Pinterest tool. So there is one option is title. Title, you can put your own title, or you can take the help of this tool to generate title. So since we are learning that how to use this tool, we will use this tool alone. So generate a title, and it will generate a title for your post. So it has generated a title, Pinterest tools, top picks for your success. Top picks for success, right? Then there are a lot of options. So first is language. You can use a lot of language. There are a lot of English, US, UK, Australia, Canadian, Hindi, right? Indonesian, Dutch, Korean, Japanese, and a lot. So we are going to use English US. Then there is option that you can create articles of various categories, like small category 600 to 1200 words. Then there is one option small 1200 to 2400 words. Then third is medium, which is 2400 to 3600. And then the large one is 3600 to 5200 words. That means you can generate an article of 5,000 words just with a simple one click. So we will go with the small one, or we can go with the medium one. So since we're learning how to use this tool, so we'll use the medium one, where it can create an article of 2400 to 3600 words, right? Now the tone, you can keep the tone as per your choice, like friendly, professional, informational, transactional, or inspiration. Since this tool is going to be a transactional list post, so we will use transactional. Then there are various options, that GPT 4 mini, GPT 4.2 new, and this orthopic Claude 3, which one is the popular one, Chat GPT 4, and there are other options also. So since this one is a popular, we'll use this one only. Then point of view means that how you want your article to be, like first person singular, first person plural, second person, or third person. So in this one, I'll use first person singular, I, me, mine. So once you'll click on this, you can also use the target country. Let's suppose we want to use the United States. And then the humanized text. You have an option of humanized text. You can read this document, that how you can humanize your text. So it means that if you want an article to be read by a 8th standard or 9th standard person, You can use difficult, fairly difficult, easily understand, and there are a lot of options also. But this is the recommended one, so we will use this one. Then the intense mode to each section beyond your entire article, that what you want to add it. So it is your option that what you want to include in it. Then comes the media hub. In the media hub, you can use AI images. So the best part of this tool is that it can create AI images for you, right? How many images you want to create? So you want to create 3 images or 2 images or 4 images. Let's suppose we want to create 5 images, right? Then the image style, you want photo, cartoon, or whatever you want. So we will use simple image. Then you can also select the size of the image. So we will use this 16.9. Then if you want to additional instruction, you can also use additional instructions. Then do you want to use embed YouTube video? Yes, there is option 1 video, 2 video. It is up to you. Alternative images in video, how you want that video or images to come in your article, like alternative video or image, first image, then video, first video, then image. So we'll use alternate image and videos. Then comes the best part, that what kind of SEO keywords you want to include in your article. So you can simply type some keywords, but since we are using the tool, we will take everything from the tool. We will take every help of the tool. So click on this NLP keyword generation. We'll click it on and it will generate a lot of keywords for us, such as best Pinterest tool, Pinterest analytics tools, Pinterest marketing tools, Pinterest scheduling tools, and a lot of it has given us 4 or 5 keywords. Then there is option that you can also add introductory hook, brief hook of your article, or you want something to be added here. It is up to you. Then there are other options, like you want to add conclusion or no, table, if you want any table, yes or no. Like in this video, I want to add a table. H3 tag, yes. List, yes. Italics, yes. Quotes, yes. Takeaways, yes. FAQ, yes. Bold, yes. So you can select the option as per your own requirement and your choice. Then it has also option of internal linking. For that, you have to connect your website using their WordPress plugin, and you can use unlimited internal linking from your website in your article. This is a new feature. So for me, as of now, I don't want to use it. Then comes the external linking. External linking, you can use custom. If you want to custom, you can put the URL, you can put the or contextual link attribute, no flow, do follow, or no follow. I will use the automatic. So how many number of links? 1 to 2, 3, 4, or 5, 7. So we'll use 1 to 2. So at the bottom, at the top, or evenly throughout of the article. You want to contextual enrichment, yes, or you want the link attribution, no follow or do follow. So we'll use do follow, right? Then this you can also use this connect to deep according to your need, and you can also enable the outline editor. You can also create the outline. So let's say magic bag. Try their magic bag. That so it has created an outlook that how this article is going to be, and how you can also create your own outline, or you can also take help of their tool. We will disable this option and then we will generate the article. One more thing is that you can directly publish this article into your WordPress website if you have connected it. If you want publishing this, yes, but you have to connect. You need the integration. You can use their plugin to connect your website. So we'll not use it as of now. So we have selected all the options. Then we'll have to go up and there is option run. So we will click the run button and then it will start writing our article. I have already created one article, Pinterest keyword research, and it has created a 2400 words article. Let's see how this tool does on best Pinterest tool keyword. So almost 60 to 70%. Now it is 75% and our article is almost written. Just wait for a few more seconds and we'll have an amazing article. So friends, now you can see our article is ready, best Pinterest tool. So we'll click on this article. Now you can see this tool has created 2800 words, amazing article just with one click. This is an amazing tool of SEOWriting.ai. It has created a 2800 words article with just one click. And you can see it has also generated amazing AI images, key takeaways. You can see the tool, like it has created this amazing table. Then amazing, it has also added this video, amazing headlines, bullet points, another image, quotes, and you can see another image. You can see also Pinterest tools and lot of. So this is the amazing article that we have created using this amazing tool. It has FAQs, it has conclusion, and it has everything. And we have created this entire article with just one click, and now we are ready to publish this article on our website. So you can modify it or you can make few changes. Now let's talk about how much this tool charge you. But before I'll tell you about the pricing plan of this tool, I have an amazing discount code for you, wherein you can get a 25% amazing discount on this tool alone for 1 year plan for the monthly plan. And the coupon code is given in the description below, and the coupon code is blog. Link is given in the description of this video. If you want to directly go to this website, SEOWriting.ai, and when you click on sign up, then don't forget to use our coupon code blog ask 25 to get 25% amazing discount. Once you create your account, you will come on this section, and then you will have this free account. You can use their free account also. And if you want to upgrade, click on this your profile section, then click on billing. As you can see, we have 100,000 words. We have to generate it. We can generate 100 articles, and we are on the free plan. Let's suppose if you want to upgrade, so they have this the monthly plan. So you can also use the free plan up to 5 articles, 5,000 words. Humanizer tool, top quality content examples, auto statuses. You can use it, but there will be a lot of restrictions on the free plan. So I would prefer that if you want to try this tool, then you should upgrade to this starter plan. If you want to monthly plan, then it will charge you $19. Professional plan $79. But if you choose the yearly plan, it will be $14 per month. And on the top of that, there shall be a 25% another discount of my coupon code. So it's $49 per month, and it is $168 a year. If you want this bigger plan where you want 500 articles, you can see 119 month. You can have like 5,000 articles. It's $1,128, like $13,000 a year. So up to you. You can try this tool. They have amazing. In the professional plan, they have a lot of options like unlimited words, humanizer tool, unlimited rewrite, external linking, internal linking, brand voice. This is coming on, and then the API. And they also have the WordPress integration. I hope this video was helpful. If you have enjoyed the tool, I would request you to try this tool once, at least for free. And if you think that the tool is worth trying it, then you can also upgrade their premium plan. But don't forget to use our discount coupon code, where you will get 25% amazing discount. If you like the video, give a thumbs up to this video. And if you have come first time on this channel, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.